Tap upper right corner plus Add Scene. And select General Scene. Select Scene icon and set name. Tap Add Device. Select Device, and choose Action. If needed, you could set a delay timer for it, then save it. Tap here and drag up and down to adjust the execution order. In Broadlink app, go to Routine tab, and tap plus Add Routine. You can give a name to the routine and set a picture for it. Tap plus or blank space next to add a trigger from time. It has 5 conditions can be set as triggers. Tap plus or blank space next to do actions. To add an action to control a device, activate a scene or push notification. Condition is optional for a routine. Tap Act by NFC tag. Add now. Then scan the NFC tag and set an action to add an NFC trigger. In Property of IR Device, tap Add to Siri. Add Siri shortcut. Choose an action for the device and set a voice command to save the Siri shortcut. Then you launch Siri on iPhone. And say, "Hey Siri, turn on TV." In Broadlink app, tap plus, Add Device, Smart Services to create a smart button in the app. For instance, you have a TP-Link Casa smart plug and you want to control it in Broadlink app. Open If TTT app and tap Create. Then tap If This, search Broadlink, and choose Button Trigger to connect. If TTT will open the account linking page and please choose Broadlink account to authenticate and create trigger. Tap then that, search TP-Link Casa, and choose Toggle to connect. If TTT will open the account linking page, and please authenticate your TP-Link Casa account to set the action. Then tap Continue to finish setup. Come back to Broadlink app and now you can tap the smart button to control Casa smart plug without using their app.